Right, you lot, you've got until I find my glasses to tell me what this place was once used for.
Here we go.
Well, a bless of that, thank you, Margaret. You talk on your own time, troublemaker. Right, seats, please. Stragglers, come on. Seats. Now, before I left, I asked what this place, specifically the room above, was once used for, didn't I? Didn't I?
Yes.
That's right. Believe it or not, this place was a school.
This isn't a classroom, Owen. How many more times?
Yeah, I'm trying to enjoy a pint, yeah, mate?
But it was a classroom, wasn't it? In the 1670s, formed by the Welsh Trust. Now, who can tell me what the man's name was who formed the Welsh Trust?
He'll do anything for a pint.
Warning you. Thomas Gouge. Now, come on, you lot. Now, in the first year of operation, the Welsh Trust reported what? Anybody? Jones?
I don't know.
Oh, come on, help me out and I'll buy you that pint.
In the first year, the Welsh Trust reported that in
51 of the chief towns of Wales, 812 children have been, or are put to school to learn English. Thank you, Jones. Now sit back down.
What about the pint?
Do you want me to ring Mrs. Jones? It's because of the makeshift schools, like the one in the room above us, that over 800 poor children across Wales were given the opportunity to study. Think about that.
Last orders, please.
That bell's for me, not for you. Over 800 people given the chance to reach out, to achieve more, for 3 months of every year. The 3 worst months of winter, when no work could be done on the farms, everybody was given the chance to better themselves. This building helped form the foundations for a better Wales. Don't you see how inspiring that is? Pint of the usual, please.